And I'm Merlin Del Rosario from MS Del Rosario Realty. So for today guys, we are going to show you a house and lot here in Catalunan Grande. And that's where we're going to live! So right now, we are here in this model unit, and this is actually the Eden model unit here in Medija Residences. So they're currently constructing, as you can see at my back, there is an ongoing construction happening. And this is a 4-bedroom unit with 3 bathrooms. And this is the Lynne model. It has 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. So guys, we are here at Medija Residences site and we're currently checking the location. So here it is, and they are actually getting started with the land development and with the roads, the drainages, and everything. They actually are getting started, and you can see the model units are there. They have culvert over there, so they're preparing for the land development of this subdivision at Medija Residences. For as low as 14,197 pesos monthly, you will be able to own this unit at Medija Residences. It is located just beside Skyline Village in Catalunan Grande, Davao City. It is considered to be the most accessible, nearest to downtown, and affordable mid-high cost subdivision in Davao City. At the top of the hill not far from the city, Medija Residences is perfect for those in search of a green, peaceful environment that is suited for family life, and as well as for those seeking for their own private place. Amenities include swimming pool, basketball court, playground, gazebo, parks, and walking trails. This Lynne unit is ready for occupancy next year. So if you're wanting to move in next year, this house is perfect for you. This would be a perfect option for you and your family. So if you want to check the site, please don't hesitate to give me a call or any of MS Del Rosario Realty's sales representative. Thanks for watching and see you for my next videos. Bye!